Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to code a program that converts decimal number into the binary, integer decimal number into the binary. So I'm going to code for a program. First, what I'm gonna do is going to put the input where user is going to type in the number. Type in the number. We're gonna put the semicolon and space. And what I need to do is put the integer function because I don't want any float points over here, so I'm going to define it as a number, and there we go, we have defined it as a number. Then what I'm gonna do next is going to define a list, goes by the name binary equal this. And next what I'm going to do is going to use the while loop for the number not equal to 0. It's going to repeat itself until it is 0. For example, if I'm dividing 10 by 2, if it's divisible by 2, then I'm gonna write 0. Okay, for that what I'm gonna do, if number does not if number has remainder 0, then the number will be equal to the number divided by 2. What it says is that whenever I'm going to divide the number by 2, if the remainder comes out to be 0, then what I'm going to do is modify with this number is equal to number by 2, and then what I'm gonna do is insert 0, 0. This is what I'm gonna insert. If the number is divisible by 2, then I'm gonna write 0, and this is the index. Wait, okay, I did a mistake. This is the index, this one, and the right one is the object. I'm gonna write 0. And for the next, what I'm gonna do is write the else statement. Else if number is not divisible by 2, that if the remainder happens to be 1, then what I'm going to do is subtract 1 from the number itself. I'm going to divide it by 2, and divide it by 2. Then what I'm going to do is insert the 0 1. That's what I'm going to insert into my list, and that's it. And the final thing that I'm gonna do is print. Okay, I'm gonna print double F formatted. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Your number is curly braces. I'm gonna put in my list. Put my list over here, and I'm going to go, and what I'm gonna do is test for it if it works or not. So this is, I'm going to write any decimal number, and it's gonna give me binary. Okay, I'm going to do one more. What happens if I type N8? Comes out of this. Okay, I'm going to show why it actually works. So here's the number that I have typed in 8. Okay, and if the number is divisible by 2, what happens? This is the while loop, and if unless number is not equal to 0, what's gonna happen, 8 is not equivalent to 0, then number, if it divisible by 2, that is remainder comes out to be 0, then the number will get modified like this, 4, and then we're gonna insert 0 0. Okay, and if else number is not divisible by 1, then we're gonna do, this statement is wrong, this is going to be repeated unless this comes out to be 0. Okay, and this is when our loop breaks. So with that being said, I hope you guys understand this code, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.